What's up YouTube, Crafting Cars here, happy Tuesday. Now if you remember, I know it's been a couple weeks, but the last time we worked on the Civic, we were kind of working on restoring the interior. So we pulled all the interior plastics out, pulled the carpet out, and then we ended up restoring my carpet. We took my old gray carpet, cleaned it up, dyed it black, and those interior plastics that I took out, today we're gonna be spraying those black. And once everything's dry, and I got this car completely vacuumed out and ready for everything to go back in, we're gonna go ahead, put everything back in the car, including my seats, and hopefully the finished product looks way better than what we started with. So here we are at square one before I've done any work. As you can see, a lot of sand and dirt and carpet remnants in here. Hopefully it cleans up nicely, but I guess you'll see after this short little vacuuming montage. Alright, so got the car all vacuumed out. It's looking nice and clean and a hell of a lot better than it looked before. Now we're ready to throw in the carpet. Also, I should probably add, before I throw in the carpet, I'm going to be sticking some of this 80mm sound deadening mat in there, just along the exhaust tunnel and the floor pan. And it helps with, like road noise. If you have like aftermarket exhaust, it kind of cleans up the exhaust drone. And it makes your sound system actually sound a lot better too by reducing the resonance in the metal and everything like that. So if you guys are wondering what all the shiny silver stuff is I'm sticking on the ground, that's what this is. A lot of tuner guys, they actually kind of stay away from it because for how thin it is, it's really heavy actually. So don't want to put too much in if you're worried about adding weight to your car and reducing the speed. So I'm not too worried about it. We're gonna have plenty of power to go around. That's enough talk, let's throw it in the car. Alright, so here's what it's looking like. I love the black carpet so much more than the old crusty gray carpet. Super clean, super sophisticated looking, and I wish the camera did it more justice because it looks super nice in here. I'm excited to see what it looks like once I paint those plastics just like I painted my center console and everything like that. Get those thrown in here and I'm sure it's gonna really come together. And then yeah, we're gonna be throwing in the seats and everything, and man oh man, I'm excited to see what it looks like. Alright, and as for the interior plastics, I'm gonna be scuffing them up with a Scotch Brite pad, wiping them down with some grease and wax remover, and then I'm gonna be spraying them with Duplicolor vinyl and fabric paint. Alright, now after letting everything sit overnight, here they are. Nice even black finish on those. I love the way it looks. Now it's finally time to throw everything back in the car. All right, so this is what we're looking like. I already love the black so much more than the old crusty gray. Everything flows really nicely in here now. Definitely worth the effort. We did it kind of on the cheap, just using spray cans and carpet dye and stuff like that, but yeah, the results turned out real nice. And then in the future, you're probably gonna see me kind of convert some more pieces to black. I definitely wanna do like the felt on the door cards. Got some pieces that definitely need replacing, kind of like that fold down mirror there. And I wanna do like the headliner and stuff. But I think the next big project aesthetic wise on this thing is gonna be doing the mural on the underside of the hood. So as of right now, it's just straight black. I think I'm gonna have my sister paint something on there, so stay tuned. Maybe I'll do that next video. But yeah, I think that wraps it up for today. So once again, thanks for tuning in to Crafting Cars. I hope you enjoyed the video. If it helped you out in any way, or if you enjoy the content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Helps us out a ton. We post videos every Tuesday, and Gideon posts videos every Friday. So yeah, stay tuned. We got a lot of content coming. Like I said, still got a lot of aesthetic mods to do to this thing, as well as I got a lot of performance parts coming in the mail these next couple weeks here. I just blew my stimulus check, so that's exciting. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.